Primetime News this evening. No more aid for Jamaica? Millions of US dollars on the line as the future of US aid is in limbo. Fake voices, but very real consequences. We zoom in on AI in a technological experiment. And classes called to order for parents after physical altercation at Very Technical High School.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, at least one Caribbean leader is proposing that the Interdevelopment Bank, IDB, should increase the cap on policy-based loans. I'll give you the details later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And what's coming up in sports? Renata Brown is here with a preview.
Well, the big story, Archie, is that, guess what? The National Stadium track might need replacement before the Acer Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. And could national tennis player Roland Randy Phillips call time on his career again? We'll tell you all about that in Primetime Sports.
Replacement?
I think that's a good thing. Yeah.
If we can afford it. Well, you have to wait around for Primetime Sports to find out.
And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, those morning showers that we have been experiencing across sections of the northeast will continue tomorrow and for most of this week, while we still also have the isolated showers mainly across the inland areas also expected for the remainder of this week in the afternoons.
Archie, and that too was a welcome, like the morning showers.
Oh, I love it. Rain, that is good news. Always good news for me. There's more on the weather later on in the forecast. There's also sports commentary at E-Prime, but before the break, the feedback question.
And we're asking, so I know we just spoke about rain, but how are you preparing for the dry season?
Oh, gosh. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center. Do we really dry season again?
Yes, we do. I mean, yeah.
Don't start me up.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.